A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some important questions related to matrix and determinants. So let us start with the questions. Question is, prove that 111 cos A, cos B, cos C, sin A, sin B, sin C, it's a determinant and its value is 4 times sin A minus B by 2 into sin C minus C by 2 C minus A by 2 into sin of B minus C by 2. This all term is an into sin. So sin of C minus A by 2 into sin of B minus C by 2. Into sin of B minus C by 2. Now this is our question. Now in this question we have to prove that. So solution is here. Since 1 given determinants cos A, cos B, cos C, sin A, sin B and sin C. This is the given determinants and we are going to apply the concept. Suppose we are going to minus R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. This both operation we are going to apply. Now result, R1 is same, so 1 cos A sin A and whole upon means second row, this will be R2 minus R1 0, this cos B minus cos A, cos B minus cos A, and the third is sin B minus sin A. Now 0 R3 minus R1, this is cos C minus cos A, next sin C minus sin A. So this is the result after operate R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Now we have to simplify. So before simplify we have to use the formula cos B minus cos A and sin B minus sin A. So you know the formula of cos B minus cos A, or cos, this is the formula cos C minus cos D, result is 2 sin C plus D means B plus A by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. means c plus d, in case c plus d will be here. So c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. And now second formula, sine c minus sine d. Now this is the result, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Now we are going to use this formula to see. Now what will be the result? Result will be, first of all, R1 will be copy here, 1 cos A sin A, and here you will use the formula cos B minus cos A, so this result is 0, and cos C minus cos D formula is 2 sin C plus D, it means B plus A by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Now sin A is here, now sin B minus sin A formula, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Third is 0, cos C minus cos D means 2 sin C plus A by 2 into sin A minus C by 2 with 2 cos A plus C by 2 into sin A minus C by 2. Now this is the expression. We have used this formula. Now you will see what is common part. You can take common 2 sine of A minus B by 2 from this row R2 and 2 sine of A minus C by 2 from R3. So what will be the result? 2 2s are 4 and sine B or sine A minus B by 2 into sine C minus A by 2 you can write. So this is sine A minus B by 2 and this is sine A minus C by 2. So what will get the result? 2 2s are 4. So result will be 4 times sine of A minus B by 2 into sine of C minus A, means A minus C we can take common, and when you will use C minus A, then this will be negative sign. So sine of C minus A by 2, suppose you are taking common, so at the place of R1 this will be the same result, 1 cos A sin a and 0. 2 sin a minus b is common, so sin of a plus b by 2 into with the cos of a plus b by 2, and this is 0. This is sin of c plus a by 2, and this is cos of a plus c by 2, and this will be with negative sign because you know the formula. If this will be sin b minus a, so this will be negative. So we have taken sin c minus a is here. A plus a minus b is same, and this will be negative only. See. Now we can simplify, or after calculation we can get this value. So this part when we will solve, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this is the formula, and the result will be a plus b plus c. So what will be the result? Sin a cos b plus minus cos a sin b is the formula of sin of a minus b. So what will be the answer? Its answer 4 times sin of a minus b by 2 into sin of c minus a by 2, and when you will simplify, result you will get sin of this a plus b by 2 and minus c plus a by 2. So what will be the result? See, minus a will cancel out. So sin of b minus c will be here. So sin of b minus c by 2. Now its result will be, see, this result is 4 times sin of a minus b by 2 into sin, this result is b minus c by 2, and third result is sin of c minus a by 2. Hence proof. Now this is our proof. See. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Now question number 2 is, solve for x. This is question number 2. Solve for x, and the matrix is determinant x plus 2, next is 2x plus 3, next is 3x plus 4, and now 2x plus 4, 3x plus 4, and now 4x plus 5, and now 3x plus 5, now 5x plus 8, now 10x plus 17. This we have to solve and find the values of x. This is the given determinants. So how we can solve it? first of all we have to use the property. So how we can use the property? Given determinants, given x plus 2, 2x plus 4, 3x plus 5, 2x plus 3, 3x plus 4 and 5x plus 8, and next 3x plus 4, 4x plus 5, 10x plus 17 is equal to 0. This is our question. So first of all we have to operate row property. So what we can write R2? R2 we can write R2 tends to R2 minus R1, and R3 tends to, suppose R2 tends to R2 minus R1. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. So there is no information about R1. So you can copy R1. So x plus 2, 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 4. Now R2 minus R1 अगर करते हैं तो 2x minus x and result will be x plus 2. So this will be R2 minus R1. Result will be x plus 2, x plus, in this question this is given 3. This is given 3. Now this is 3. 2, 3, 5 and 3, 4, 8 and 4, 5, 17. So R2 minus R1, this will be x plus 1. This is R2 minus R1. This will be also x plus 1. And now this will be also x plus 1. And suppose I am going to solve R3. So R3 we can write R3 minus R1 or R3 minus R2, suppose R3 minus R2. So what we can get the value? So R3 minus R2. So 3x minus 2x, this is x, this is plus 2. Now this is 2x plus 4, means we can write 2 times x plus 2. And now this is 6x and plus 12. So 6, you can write x plus 2. See. Now we can take common x plus 2 or x plus 1 from R2 and R3. So what will be the result? Result you will see x plus 2 copy here, 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 4. Now x plus 1 and x plus 2 are common. So we have taken x plus 1, x plus 2, this is in multiple. So result will be 1, 1 and this result will be 1, 2. This result will be 1, 6. See. Now its result is 0, you know. Its result is 0, and when you will solve you can get the values of x, that is minus 1 and minus 2. And now first of all we have to simplify this term. So how we can simplify? See, how we can simplify? We have to simplify C1 or C2 also. So C2 column, what we can write? C2 column we can write C2 tends to C2 minus 2 times C1. Suppose we are going to solve C2 tends to C2 minus 2 times C1. C2 minus 2 times C1, x term will cancel out. and result you will get in number. Similarly, C3 tends to C3 minus, C3 tends to C3 minus 6 times C2. C3 tends to C3 minus 6 times, you can write C1 suppose. This is C1. So 6 times C1. So what we can get? Result will be x plus 1, x plus 2, in determinant C1 copy here, x plus 2, 1, 1, C2 tends to C2 minus 2 times C1, means 2 times C1 means this will be 4, and this minus this result will be minus 1. So this is 2x plus 3 will be same, and this is 3x plus 4. And now elements will be C2 minus C1. So result will be minus 1. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. This will not be here. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. At the place you will get minus 1 C. At the place you will get minus 1 C. And now this result will be 0. C2 minus 2 times C1. C2 minus 2 times C1 result will be minus 1. And now C2 minus 2 times C1 result will be 0. See, any doubt can clear it. Now C3 tends to C3 minus 6 times C1. C3 minus 6 times C1 result will be 3x minus 6x result will be minus 3x, and this result will be minus 8. See, minus 8. So minus 3x minus 8. So this result is minus time 3x minus 8. Now C3 minus 6 times C1 result will be minus 5. And now C3 is minus 6 times C1, result will be 0. Now we have to solve these steps. So x plus 1, and by using determinants method you can also solve it. It's a result. So x plus 1, x plus 2 is a factor, and now what will be its value? After solving, what we can get its value? See, x plus 1, x plus 2 in big bracket. This result, suppose you are going to multiply this into this 0. So this result will be, so minus minus plus 1 in bracket, 1 1s are 1, 0s are 0, and this is minus minus plus 5. And now minus 3x minus 8 will multiply from 1 0s are 0 and minus 1, this result will be plus 1. So what will be the result? Minus 3x plus 8 and plus 3. What will be the result? Minus 3x, this is minus 3x minus 8, minus 3x minus 8. So minus 3x minus 8 plus 3, result will be minus 3x minus 3. So x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2 minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. And we can simplify easily. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, or this is x is equal to plus 1. See, this is minus 3 when you will take common, so x plus 1 will be here. So result you will get x is equal to minus 1, or these steps we can write also, minus 3 in bracket x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now minus 3 in bracket, this is x plus 1 whole square, this is x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2. Now when you will equate, you will get the result minus 1 and minus 2. See, Now this question is totally completed. See. So this is the answer. This is the answer.